Naglabas na ng update ang IRCC sa eligibility ng spousal work permit for family members of temporary resident last January 14. At naging mainit na topic to kasi nagimbal naman talaga ang lahat, lalo na yung mga international students na nandito at gagraduate na ngayong April. At isa kami doon. Sabi ng Government of Canada, effective January 21, 2025, only spouses of certain international students and foreign workers will be able to apply for a family OWP. Nako, sino-sino ba tong mga to? Isa-isahin natin. Kung ikaw ay international student, currently naka-enroll ka sa school, right? Hindi pa to PGWP ha. We are just talking about your status right now as a study permit holder. Tapos wala pa dito yung pamilya mo at gusto mo silang kunin. Then, ang requirement sa'yo para may apply mo ng open work permit yung asawa mo or yung common law partner mo ay dapat naka-enroll ka sa master's program na 16 months or longer ang duration of your studies. O kaya doctoral programs or select professional and eligible programs.